All right, I got one of these belt sanders from Harbor Freight. I've used it a little bit, tried to use it. It doesn't really work that well. Main problem is that belt is super loose. I have adjusted this as far as I can. I can't go no tighter. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to fix it. Rather than buying a new belt, I probably could just buy a new belt. I've already taken everything off. I figure you need to see how to take it apart. It's not that hard. A few screws, but I mean that belt. So you turn it on, a lot of times the motor just spins. It doesn't even turn the belt, and I've got to manually push the belt to get it to go. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to get around buying a new belt. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all the bolts off the motor. I'll try to do this for you all can see. Yeah, who needs that washer? So the motor needs to slide that way to tighten it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get something to cut this notch bigger on both these. On this side, I'm probably just gonna cut it all the way off. That way I can slide it that way more, tighten that belt up. Hopefully that'll fix my problem of it not working. I've had this thing for several years. It's been sitting under my bench because it was pretty much useless. And I've needed it, so. Let me find something to cut that with. Alright, I'm just using an angle grinder to cut it. Alright, as you can see, I just cut off these two sides there. Now this one here, I just open that up. So that way I can slide it. So now I'll put it back together. Now I'll push down on the motor. All right. That's a lot tighter than it was. Let's try it out. Like I said before, I had to manually push the belt in order to get it to turn the motor come on, but the belts wouldn't work. It could be tighter, but it's still a lot better than it was. Before, just light pressure would stop it. Now I can stop it, but it takes quite a bit of pressure. It's working. I could probably put a little bit more pressure on that motor and possibly tighten that some more, but anyway, I can tighten it quite a bit now with those spaces in there wider. So hopefully this works for you. I'll get them together and I'll use it for a while, and hopefully we'll see how it works. So thanks for watching.